Hello, we hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to Sanford's Software and Internet Monthly Market Report for August 2025. As usual, we are going to be reviewing the previous month's M&A and venture capital activity across the entire US and Canadian landscape. So, let's dive in on the M&A front. The month of August saw over $7.5 billion invested across 108 transactions, bringing the year-to-date revenue multiple to 5.2 times. Compared to July, there was a decrease to both deal value as well as deal volume. Notable deals include Salesforce acquiring Regrello for $2.1 billion, WiseTech Global buying E2Open for $2.1 billion, and Thoma Bravo taking Verint private in a $1.7 billion transaction. Based off the first 8 months of activity, 2025 is expected to see $255 billion invested across 1,770 transactions. This would mark a 53% increase and a 1% decrease respectively. Large M&A deals, similar to the Regrello acquisition so far in 2025, have bolstered deal value significantly, as deal volume has been relatively flat so far this year. Now, we'll move on to revenue multiples in the M&A environment. The month of August saw the 2025 Q3 multiples trade slightly lower than in July, however within a narrower window. Quarter-over-quarter comparison still shows an improvement when looking at the 2025 Q2 results. When comparing SaaS to non-SaaS multiples, we see that non-SaaS multiples experienced a difficult August, with additional disclosures bringing the year-to-date multiple down to 2.7 times and reversing the inversion previously seen last month. SaaS multiples continue to be resilient in the current market conditions. However, we would expect these two entries to trade within a tighter window in the coming months. Deal volume saw a slight decrease compared to July and was also below the last 12-month average of 152 deals. We would expect deal volume to pick back up as we enter the fall months, although this slowdown is something to monitor moving forward. That's all on the M&A front. As usual, we'll now move over to the VC activity for the month of August. The month of August saw a total of $6.1 billion invested across 430 transactions and a median deal size of $4.8 million. Compared to the prior month, there was a decrease to both deal value and deal volume. Some notable deals in August include Cohere raising $500 million, CompanyCam raising $415 million, and Elise AI raising $250 million. The 430 deals in August remain below the last 12-month average of 699 and marked a decrease compared to the prior month. Early stage deals were down 30%, while mid and late stage deals were down 25% and 15% respectively when compared to July's results. 2025 is now projecting to see almost $180 billion invested across 8,258 transactions. This would mark an 18% decrease in deal volume, but a 75% increase to capital invested. Large VC deals continue to drive deal value to elevated levels, while deal volume has seen momentum slow down in recent months. As usual, we'll end this month's video by having a look at revenue multiples in the VC landscape. Until this point in the year, all 3 stages of deals have seen improvements in the valuation to revenue multiple, with late stage deals showing the most overperformance compared to the 2024 figures. This will be something to monitor through the coming months if deal value starts to slow down. That's all for this month's video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to reach out through our website, sanfordadvisors.com, if you have any M&A related questions that we can address. Thanks.